If you know you want to have a glowing skin like me, please make sure you're watching this video to the end so that you don't miss anything. Please do not skip. So let's jump right into the video. If you know you want to have a glowing skin like me, please keep on watching. I will be telling you how to use this product to have a glowing skin. Let's jump right into the video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, hi, hope you all are doing well. My name is Pamela. You are highly welcome to this channel. This channel is all about skincare, product review, beauty tips, DIY, and every other good stuff in between. So if this is your first time of coming across, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. To all my OG, I want to hear me. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up so that I will know you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment and share my video. Support your girl. So guys, today is all about the Fair and White lotion. Yes, so today, if you know you're a brown skin girl and you want your skin to be popping, you want your skin to be looking good, you want your skin to be glowing, I'll be telling you how you can use this product to give you a very flawless skin, because a lot of people use lotion in different ways. Yes, some people want to use it to tone, some people want to use it to whiten their skin, some people just don't want to whiten their skin, some people want to maintain their skin, some people just want their skin to glow. So to all my brown skin girls, you know, you just want your skin to glow and to pop, please watch this video to the end and do not skip, because if you skip you might miss something from maybe in the middle. I might say something in the middle, and if you skip you will not hear it. So make sure you're watching this video to the end. So this is the product. It is called the Fair and White Gold 2, and this is called Fair and White Gold 2 Even Tone Revitalized Body Lotion, Brightening and Clarifying Lotion. Yes, this is brightening and clarifying lotion. Yes, will this lotion whiten you? No, it will not whiten you. Will this lotion bleach your skin? No, it will not bleach your skin. The only way that this lotion will whiten you or bleach your skin is when you do pro when you over mix it with different tube. That is when this lotion will whiten you like Oyibo. But if you know you just want to retain your color, you want to glow, this lotion is a very good lotion, and I will be telling you how to use it. The only thing you will do to achieve a very nice glowing color is do not promise this lotion when you are using it. And also, the only thing that you can add to this lotion to give you more extra glow is this your serum, this argan oil serum. Yes, it's also good too, argan oil serum. And also this serum will take away your dark spots if you are having dark spots. So I will advise you, for my brown skin, you know, I want you me, my beautiful brown skin girls that doesn't want to, you know, as in destroy their skin, they want their skin just to glow, add this to it. Do not add tube, because when you add tube, it's going to as in make this cream to work fast on your skin, and it's going to whiten your skin. But if you don't want whitening, you just want your skin to glow, add this serum to it, one of this serum to it. And also use their shower scrub. Make sure you are scrubbing your skin at least 2 times in a week. Yes, so 2 times in a week. I've given somebody this scrub. When I was giving her, she said, you should say this scrub go work. This scrub, I said, go use them first. If you no work, how much you buy them? I will give you back your money. If you no work, I will give you back your money. For that one, I know the shape, but go try this scrub first. And she told me that, Pam, I really love this scrub. The scrub really did good. I said yes, because if you don't try it, you don't know. So if you want to have that beautiful caramel skin, do not add anything like tube inside this lotion, just add only serum. You add this your serum to it. And also if you want something to also glow your face, you want to have that beautiful glowing face, this serum is a face serum. Also you use it on your face. Yes, use it in your face, and also use it in the evening time. Once you shower, make sure that your face is not so dry. You know, make sure that your face is down. Once you shower, just put the serum like this. Open the serum for your arm. Just open the serum for your arm like so. Open the serum like so. Let me take a little bit like so. Then no rubber like this, just done like this. Then you dab it on your face. Dab it on your face. Do it every evening, every night. Do it every night. The serum is not so harsh. Also, you can also use it in the morning also. But for my people that are in Africa, I will advise you to use it every evening. But right now we are going to the summer because the weather is cold. For people in Europe, you can use it morning and evening. Just, you know, do not rub it like this. The waiting happen kilo day. Just do it like this, and you know, dab it on your face. You use this serum morning and evening. Then you use this shower gel. My lovely brown skin beautiful girls, I'm telling you, in 1 month, somebody that knows you before will not recognize you anymore. They will just say you be Black American. Yes, because you go there shine, you go there glow, you go there shine. Everybody go there ask you, say what they use. Because if you want this lotion to work for you, you have to scrub your skin. It's not going to bleach your skin. This is not a bleaching lotion. It will not bleach your skin. It will not whiten your skin. It will just maintain your color and glow your color if you use it in the right way. Yes, and for some people can use, if you want to use it to promise to give you whitening. Yes, but this one, I'm not talking about people that want to whiten their skin. I'm talking about people that want their skin to glow. Yes, if you want your skin to glow, this is a very good product to use from the Fair and White that will glow your skin. Also, you can also buy their soap. Their soap is #1. They have #1, #2, #3. You can also buy their soap. You use their soap together. You know, this one is a body scrub. You can also use this scrub every day because the scrub is not so harsh like that. Or you buy their soap, you use the soap together. You just use this range. Please come back and thank me, my beautiful people, my lovely sisters. After you use this thing the way I'm telling you now, you use this way, your skin will not be bleached, your skin will not be destroyed, your skin will be glowing. You will be looking beautiful, like as in people go see, say wait till they happen, wait till they chop. They don't know, say because you use the cream in the right way. The reason a lot of people complain, hey, this cream that I use did not work for me, this cream damaged your skin. Please, I beg, because you are not using it in the right way. Me, as I see me here, I be mama, I don't use cream tire. I be mama use yuzu. I don't use a lot of cream for my skin. Yes, but if somebody tell you, say me, I don't use cream for my skin, you no go believe, because I get the way where they do my things. I don't want my skin to spoil. So anything where they use, I they borrow myself sense. Yes, so I they give myself brain to use any products where they use, and then they say they use, and even products where they say they spoil people body. Me, if I use, I no go spoil my body because I know the way to use cream. No be today. It's not today that I've been using cream in my skin. So I've been using cream for long time ago. No be today I don't use cream. So I know the way to use cream. When you use any cream in the right way, it will not damage your skin. Yes, but when you use it in the wrong way, it will damage your skin. So this is for all my beautiful brown skin girls. Just use this product like this. You know, do not mix, do not put anything like tube inside. I use God name begona. No put tube inside. Use only the oil. Then for your face, use the oil too for your face. You know, just use it like that. Scrub your body 2 times or 3 times in a week. If you know say your skin they do well, scrub your body 3 times in a week. And if you say your skin don't dey bright, you know, begin to scrub your skin 2 times in a week before 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks. You self, you go see, when you look your skin, go say, my skin, you know, you go the shakara, you understand what I'm a shakon, you go the shakara. So that is it for all my brown beautiful skin girls that is looking for a lotion that will not destroy their skin, that will not change their skin, that will just glow their skin, this is a very nice lotion. So guys, this is it, and I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video and you want to go and try this lotion, please go and try it. And if you have tried this lotion before and this lotion work very well for you, please let us know, because it is something that me also have used in my skin and it was so good and I love it, and I thought of sharing it for all my amazing subscribers. So I'll be dropping another good lotion also that you can also use on your skin, that is not so expensive also, but it's also good for people that have brown skin. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay blessed and stay fabulous. Please keep on supporting your girl, you know, like, subscribe, you know, share and all those good stuff. No, show me some love. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Bye. Dark, dewy kiss. Mwah.